Hello everybody, and welcome back to the PoorMansChemist. In this video, I am going to be converting cesium perrhenate into rhenium heptasulfide. What you see on the screen is a sample of cesium perrhenate that I made before. However, this was not the one that was made from the very pure rhenium that I just got. This is the older sample that gave us all those beautiful feathery crystals. I took the solid that I had, you guys saw in the last video that I did on making cesium perrhenate. You saw that I had filtered off those feathery crystals and dried them and put them in a bottle. Well, I redissolved them in water and let it crystallize, and lo and behold, this is what we're getting now. No feathery crystals at all. This is what we're getting. So, yes, the mystery saga of the crystallization of cesium perrhenate fucking continues. But at any rate, the reason that I didn't start off this video with the new stuff is because I've already done the reaction. I know, this is one of those rare videos where right from the outset I know that it actually works. I wasn't sure, and I went back and I was checking the literature. I could find so little information about this. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get it right. So I filmed the reaction, of course, and you're about to see it here in just a minute. But I went ahead and just kind of did it and, recorded it, but I didn't film an intro for it because I just wasn't sure if it was going to work. It didn't turn red. It turned kind of reddish as the reaction was happening. But Rhenium heptasulfide is a black compound, and that's exactly what I got. So far as I can tell, it looks like everything worked beautifully. Yay! So, answers the question, yes, you absolutely can use cesium perrhenate in order to make rhenium heptasulfide. Now, this is what I got from the reaction. You can see it is a very heavy black powder. Again, exactly what it is supposed to be. All that I did with the new cesium perrhenate solution made from the new stuff was I added in a couple of milliliters of concentrated hydrochloric acid and then just bubbled a fuck ton of hydrogen sulfide gas through the solution until the reaction was complete. And yes, it smelled absolutely horrifying. Thank God there was a good breeze yesterday that carried the gases away, because holy shit, that was fucking vile. It took a lot of hydrogen sulfide to do this. So what I'm going to do now is show you guys a time lapse of the reaction, because it took a while for the reaction to go to completion. And then when I come back from that, I will have this filtered off, we'll take a look at it, and we'll wrap this up. So, kick back, relax, maybe burn one, and enjoy watching the conversion of cesium perrhenate into rhenium heptasulfide. Okay, everybody, there we go. This is it. Rhenium heptasulfide. You can see it's just a heavy black powder. Of course, it would have to rain on the day when I wanted to film my Triumph, but whatever. This is an airtight vial. It's fine. So yeah, the yield is kind of shitty. I'm a little surprised by that. Naturally, I saved all of the waste and everything to be recycled, so I can absolutely recover the rhenium. That's not a big deal. But I'm a little disappointed just because, I mean, you can use rhenium heptasulfide to make rhenium heptoxide by thermal decomposition of this stuff. Rhenium heptoxide is a little volatile, so I wasn't really sure of how I could recover it, but still. Anyway, nonetheless, we did it. We successfully turned cesium perrhenate into rhenium heptasulfide. That's pretty goddamn cool. Right? Nice, easy prep, except for the vast quantities of hydrogen sulfide that it took to fucking get this reaction to go. And that's another thing. I'm wondering if I just didn't stop it too soon. If I should have let it kept going. That's another possibility, because this reaction did take a little while. But anyway, for a first try, I'm quite pleased with it. So, if you liked that video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, well, it must suck to be you. Subscribe, comment, share the video, and until the next one, y'all, I will see you later. That's pretty goddamn neat, man. I'm very pleased it worked. Fucking rain, get off my fucking vial. Fucking water.